Dear parents and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important 6th class science chapter number 13 exercise question answers, that is fun with magnets. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಫನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಘಟಕಗಳ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Chapter number 13 Fun with Magnets. Exercise question answer. First question, fill in the blanks in the following. First one, artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as dash and dash. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, cylindrical or a ball-ended magnets, a ball-ended magnets. Second one, the materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called. The materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. Third one, paper is not a dash. Paper is not a magnetic material. Is not magnetic material. Fourth one, in olden days soldiers used to find direction by suspending a piece of magnet. In older days, soldiers used to find direction by suspending a piece of magnet. Fifth one, a magnet always has dash poles. A magnet always has two poles. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಥವಾ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕು. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. This statement is false. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. This statement is false. Third one, similar poles of a magnet repel each other. This statement is true. Fourth one, maximum iron filling stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. This statement is false. Fifth one, bar magnets always point towards north-south direction. This statement is true. Sixth one, a compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. This statement is true. Rubber is a magnetic material. This statement is false. Third question, it was observed that a pencil sharpeners gets attracted by both the poles of a magnet Although its body is made up of plastic, name me materials that might have been used to make some parts of it. Right answers. The blade of the sharpener is made up of iron, which is a magnetic substance which gets attracted by both the poles of a magnet, although its body is made up of plastic. Question number 4. Column first shows different positions in which one pole of a magnet is placed near that of the other. Column 2 indicates the resulting acids. Column 2. North pole repulsion. North south pole attract to each other, attraction. South north pole attraction. South pole repulsion. Write any two properties of a magnet. Write any two properties of a magnet. Right answer. Two properties of a magnets are: magnets aligns in north-south direction when suspended freely. Second one, magnets has two magnetic poles. Magnets have two magnetic poles. Question number 6. Where are poles of a magnet bar magnets located? Right answer. Poles of a bar magnet located at its two ends. At two ends. Question number 7. A bar magnet has no markings to indicate its pole. How would you find our near which ends its north pole located? To locate its north pole, we would do the following steps. A bar magnet taken and suspended freely from the middle with the help of thread. Allow the magnet to comes into rest. The north pole of the magnet will face the north direction and south pole will face the south direction. Mark the north pole of the magnet with the marker. Question number 8. You are given in an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? Right answer. Steps to make an iron strip into bar magnet. A flat strip of iron is taken. On the iron strip, a bar magnet is placed and rubbed against it horizontally only in one direction. When you reach the end of the strip, lift the magnet and again starts rubbing from the initial position. This process is repeated more than 40 to 50 times. After this, the iron strip will attain the property of magnets. Question number 9. How is a compass used to find directions? Right answer. A compass has a magnetic needles attached to it which can rotate freely. The magnet always points to north-south direction, which is marked on compass and thus helps in finding directions. Question number 10. A magnet was brought from different directions towards a toy boat that has been floating in water in a tube. Effect observed in each case is stated in column 1. Possible reasons for the observed effects are mentioned in column 2. Match the statements given in column 1 with those in column 2. Column 1, column 2. Column 1, boat gets attracted towards the magnet. Column 2, boat is pitted with a magnet with the north pole towards its head. Boat is not affected by the magnet. Boat is pitted with a magnet with south pole towards its head. Boat moves towards the magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near its head. Boat has smaller magnet fixed along its length. Boat moves away from the magnet when north pole is brought near its head. Boat is made up of magnetic materials. Boat floats without changing its direction. Boat is made up of non-magnetic materials. Right answers column, first column with boat gets attracted towards the magnet. Boat is made up of magnetic materials. Second one, boat is not affected by the magnet. Boat is made up of a non-magnetic materials. Third one, boat moves towards the magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near its head. Boat is fitted with a magnet with south poles towards its head. Next one, boat moves away from the magnet when north pole is brought near its head. Boat is fitted with a magnet with north pole towards its head. Next one, boat floats without changing its direction. Boat has a small magnets fixed along its length. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.